Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Manimanthan Konda. Today I'll tell you another experiment. Before that I'll tell you its name. Its name is Magical Candles. For that you will need materials like a glass tumbler and a candle. Check that the tumbler is more wider than your candle and more height. Matchbox, a saucer and colored water. I am taking colored water to represent that it's true. So, firstly, let's pour the water. Yes. Now let's light it. Now I have lit it. Now it's time to invert your tumbler and keep it like this. Did you see that? This tumbler is getting filled by the water. Now I'll tell you the reason behind this mysterious experiment. As you know, oxygen helps in burning. So the candle needs oxygen to burn. In the search of oxygen, it pulls out the water which is indirectly touching to the candle. And suction forms. So the water comes till here. That's the reason behind this mysterious project. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Manimanthan Konda. Bye. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.